Why do 70% of homeowners struggle with cockroaches? Let's fix that in just 24 hours. First, let's find where those sneaky bugs are hiding. Check dark, damp spots, like under the sink and behind the fridge. Next, mix up a simple DIY solution of water and sugar. Add a bit of baking soda. Those roaches won't know what hit them. Place this mix in small, shallow dishes around your kitchen. The sugar lures them in and the baking soda does the rest. While they're munching away, clean up any crumbs and spills. Roaches love leftovers as much as we do. Seal any cracks and crevices with cork to keep new ones from moving in. It's like putting up a no vacancy sign for pests. Lastly, keep your kitchen dry. Moisture is a roach magnet. Fix any leaks and wipe down surfaces regularly. That's it. Simple, right? Follow these steps and watch those pesky roaches disappear within a day. Your kitchen will thank you. Please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies and visit animalpestcontrol.com for more pest control information.